want to stop the video for a second and just remind everyone to please comment and let me know what you think about my videos. If you like them, what I can do better, what aspects of them that you don't like, that I should cut out, things like that. And also, don't forget, I also have a Facebook page and an Instagram account under the same name, Last Frontier Cabin. Hey everyone, just got to the cabin a little while ago, as you saw. It is now it's about 32 degrees inside. It was about 18 degrees when I first got here, and this is so cool. I want to show you something. Okay, check this out. As you can see, it's a bottle of unfrozen water. But as soon as I agitate it a little bit, it'll instantly freeze. Watch. Frozen. That is so cool. I don't know if you can see that, but it's still cold enough to see my breath. I got a nice big fire going in the wood stove. I'm gonna get something to eat here and let the place warm up and then just head to bed. And I'll check in with you guys in the morning. Well, that's not good. Dead battery on the wheeler. I'm gonna have to break out the battery charger and take the battery off and get it charged up. Let's try the standard 10mm and see if that works. Yes, it does. Well, the battery looks good still. It's not bulged out or anything, which would suggest to me that it's bad and frozen. So let's take this inside and get it running. While the battery for my wheeler is warming up, I'm going to go ahead and put on the bed sheets that I bought for the bed upstairs. They're size full, which is slightly bigger than the futon mattress upstairs, so hopefully they fit well enough and stay on. Let's go ahead and get these put on. Fitted sheet is a little loose, but it'll work. That's not bad. I brought out an old comforter I had. It's an old school one, popular with the bed in a bag back in the day. So figured I'd bring it out here and use it out here. Ooh, a little warm up here. I think I'll turn the fan on for a little while. I have a big announcement to make. I bought something awesome for out here at the cabin. I bought another chainsaw. I bought a Stihl MS211 chainsaw. As you guys know from my previous videos, I've been having issues with my other chainsaw. I am most likely getting it rebuilt by a friend of mine. So in the meantime, I bought this one. The other reason I bought this one is my MS391 that I have is big and very heavy, and this one is probably half the size, half the weight, and it'll work great for limbing up trees and bucking up the trunks when they're not real big. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this fueled up, and let's take it outside and start using it. I got my chainsaw all oiled up, got a tank of gas in it, so let's go ahead and start this up for the first time ever. She started. I'll just let it idle for a little while. I definitely like my new MS211 Stihl chainsaw. It cuts really good. Gonna have to tighten the chain up a little bit, but for the first time using it, I like it. I'm glad I bought it. When my neighbor brings his bulldozer out, I want to get all these alders bulldozed, including these couple small pine trees right there. Right there is my cabin through the alders. So I want to get this whole area bulldozed. from where the trail turns right there straight over to those big spruce trees over in the distance. I want to get this whole area bulldozed, and then I can start putting in a garden, maybe a chicken coop in a couple years, that type of thing. So that's my game plan for now.
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over Berwyn. No, well, that can wait because we're about to savor fine meats.
It's Sunday, a little after 11 a.m. and I'm just getting ready to head back to town. I got most of my stuff already packed up, and as you know, I had the battery issues yesterday afternoon, so I'm gonna go ahead, install that battery, see if the wheeler will start up. If not, I'm gonna have to have my neighbor come and give me a tow out to the truck. So let's see if that works out. Ouch! That hurt. Okay, she's hooked back up. Let's see if get this back on and see if she'll start up. There's that. Fingers crossed. Let's hope this works. Let's hope she tries at least. Got it. I'm all packed up and ready to head back to town. So until next weekend, everyone have a good day.